Today I helped a longtime customer with a MacBook Pro 15-inch from 2015. Hey, it's Dana from MacMedics again with just some tips on embedded batteries. So this customer's a smart fellow, and I've dealt with them for a good number of years, but I'm here to tell you that removing an embedded battery from a Mac that it was not designed to come out of is kind of a tough repair. Now, the battery did swell up, and I'll show you. This is what it looks like when the battery is removed, and you can see how puffed up all these Mylar pouches are full of the chemicals that make the battery work. And if you accidentally pop one, it's what we call in the business a battery event. The battery can literally explode in your face, and it could blind you, it could kill you, it could burn you, and it's toxic smoke. So you do not want to breathe the magic smoke from the lithium battery. It's bad. Just look on YouTube for exploding lithium batteries. It's a nightmare. I saw, I don't remember if it was Bear Grylls or Les Stroud start a fire with a lithium cell phone battery. It's nuts. So I always want to encourage my customers to do a repair that they can do themselves if they feel so inclined. But this gentleman had a perfectly good working machine. It just had a super swollen battery. You can see there's a better picture of it. So he's like, okay, I'm just going to remove the battery. I'm going to use the Mac as a desktop, just as a stationary unit with no battery. Well, somewhere in the process of doing the battery removal, the logic board got damaged, and now the machine just boot loops. So it's what I would consider a total loss at this point. So just be careful. Remember, the companies that sell these batteries on eBay, Amazon, and elsewhere, they have videos that show you how to remove the battery, but it can be a royal pain, and they want it to look easy, so you buy their replacement battery. So just be careful before you undertake anything like this, and by all means, before you open a machine, make sure that that data on that machine is fully backed up and you've double checked that that data is really where it's supposed to be in case something really does happen during your battery repair. Stay safe out there, and if you do attempt this battery repair, eyeglasses and gloves at a minimum. It's a must. Stay safe out there, and don't forget to back up your data.